Hello everyone and welcome to Smart Pest Tech. Ticks are small arachnids that feed on the blood of humans and animals. They are known to carry and transmit various diseases, including Lyme disease, anaplasmosis, and babesiosis. In this video, we will look at the risks associated with ticks and how you can prevent tick bites. Number 1. Disease transmission. Ticks can transmit various diseases to humans through their bites. One of the most well-known tick-borne illnesses is Lyme disease, caused by the bacterium Borrelia burgdorferi. Other diseases transmitted by ticks include Rocky Mountain spotted fever, babesiosis, anaplasmosis, and ehrlichiosis. These diseases can cause symptoms ranging from mild to severe and may even be life-threatening if not treated promptly. Number 2. Allergic reactions. Some individuals may experience allergic reactions to tick bites. These reactions can range from mild itching and swelling to more severe symptoms, such as difficulty breathing or anaphylaxis. People with allergies to other insect bites or stings may be at a higher risk of developing allergic reactions to tick bites. Number 3. Tick paralysis. In rare cases, certain species of ticks can cause paralysis in humans. This condition, known as tick paralysis, occurs when a neurotoxin present in the tick's saliva enters the bloodstream through its bite. Symptoms typically start with weakness and numbness in the legs and then progress to paralysis of the lower body and, in severe cases, the respiratory muscles. Prompt removal of the tick usually leads to a full recovery. Now let's talk about prevention and how can you prevent these tick bites. Number 1. Wear protective clothing. One way to stop tick bites is by wearing proper clothing. When you're heading out into tick-infested areas, cover up as much as possible. Wear long sleeves and long pants, and tuck your pants into your socks or boots. This makes it harder for ticks to latch onto your skin. Light-colored clothing can help you spot ticks more easily. Number 2. Use insect repellent. Another effective method is using insect repellent. Look for repellents containing DEET, picaridin, or permethrin. Apply it to your exposed skin and clothing before going outside. Remember to follow the instructions on the repellent's label carefully. Reapply as directed, especially if you're sweating or spending a long time outdoors. Number 3. Stay on trails. Ticks often lurk in tall grasses, bushes, and wooded areas. To reduce your risk of encountering ticks, stay on cleared trails when hiking or walking through grassy areas. Avoid brushing against vegetation whenever possible. If you need to venture off the path, try to stick to the center of trails and away from overgrown areas. Number 4. Perform tick checks. After spending time outdoors, it's crucial to check yourself, your children, and your pets for ticks. Pay close attention to areas where ticks are likely to hide, such as the scalp, behind the ears, along the hairline, underarms, groin, and behind knees. If you find a tick attached to your skin, remove it promptly with fine-tipped tweezers, grasping it as close to the skin's surface as possible. That's all for now. Like and share the video and follow us for more such content. Thanks for watching.